Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the connection failed error in Battlefield 6 on your PC step by step. So it is a common issue after updates and these easy fixes will get back online fast. So first of all, you need to make sure that you are using a stable internet connection. For that, you can just simply click on your Wi-Fi icon. Here you can see whether you are using a Wi-Fi. So if you are using a Wi-Fi, you can try switching to a wired Ethernet cable for better stability. Then you can also try restarting your PC and see if there is any improvement in your internet connection. In the second step, you can just simply run Battlefield 6 as administrator. For that, you just have to right click on the Battlefield 6 shortcut setup. There you are going to find the run as administrator option. So you just have to select that, and this particular step allows the game to access the servers properly, especially after the new patches. Now you can also try clearing the game's cache files. For that, you just have to go to the file explorer. There you will find the documents. In the documents, you will see Battlefield 6 and then you will see settings. There you just have to delete any of the cache or the temporary files folder. So this forces the game to rebuild the fresh connection data the next time you launch. Now you can also check for any kind of firewall or EA app settings. For that, simply just right click on the taskbar and come here in your taskbar settings. Over here you are going to see the option of Windows security. So here you can open the Windows security and go to the firewall and network protection. There you can allow the application and make sure that the Battlefield 6 and the EA applications are allowed through both private and public networks. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.